About 15 to 20 minutes west of downtown Nashville is Door Gourmet. It is an amazing 350-acre organic farm that is so much more. They have an event barn for cocktail parties, weddings, social gatherings. They also have an on-site farmers market that is all locally grown produce. You can find a lot of different baked goods, honeys, jams, wines, chocolates, and much, much more that you're going to just absolutely enjoy. I was thrilled to find they had kind of funny names for their jams and salsas, so you can kind of get a kick out of seeing some of those labels here. And then they have a selection of grape juice and some wines even that you'll probably want to sample. And they also have this Cottage where they offer cooking classes, whether it's a small group or a large group, but they're really big on education. They're actually building an educational barn. It's not quite finished, but they're going to have some education programs for kids, classes, people who want to learn more about agriculture and farming, which I think is really great. Then they offer this local farm box. You can get a small or a large box and pick it up either on Fridays or Saturdays. And then if you take the kids out, or if you just like seeing animals on the farm, they have these chickens and rabbits that you can just take a peek at, which is a little fun before you say goodbye. And I picked up a gift basket for a client and picked up some really just a great sampling of goods from jams and jellies and spaghetti sauce and some bourbon flavored coffee. It was a great treat. My client loved it. Maple syrup. She absolutely loved it, and it was nice to be able to give her something that was all locally sourced. And then lastly, just enjoy the tour of Door Gourmet. Take a trip out there. Keep in mind their hours are only Thursday through Saturday, 9 to 4 p.m. Enjoy!